Hey guys, John here with Vapour Honing Technologies. Today I want to talk to you about sealing surfaces on a set of cylinders for a motorcycle application. People ask all the time, will it damage sealing surfaces? Either where the head's going to go or on the bottom side of the cylinders. And as you can tell in this picture or this video, we are not damaging anything here. We are cleaning the part. We're actually able to clean the corrosion that you see here on this set of cylinders that's happened over a 30 or 40 year period of time because we're able to clean the topography, the peak and the valley of the surface, which is what makes Vapour honing so good for a lot of applications. And it makes it superior to its dry blasting counterpart. Dry blasting really struggles at cleaning the deep little pits and deep areas because it doesn't flow like Vapour honing does. We are actually able to flow the media in the tightest spots, in the lowest pits on the surface, up to, of course, the top surface. We're able to clean everything in between. Even these little threaded hole areas here where the cylinder head's going to mount to this set of cylinders. We're able to clean oil passageways in the cylinder to ensure that you get good oil flow back up to the head. These are all important things, but the biggest point here, like I say, is the sealing surfaces. We're able to clean those, we're able to keep them intact so that you can get the proper seal between the cylinders and the head, and of course you can get the proper torque readings for bolt locations like this because you're able to clean these threaded areas. But that's the point of this video here, is to show you that number one, it's very clean, and number two, it does not damage these areas. And that's the biggest key behind the process and what makes it so effective. If you're not using this process, you need to call us and get set up with the process. It is a revolutionary technique to be able to work on engines, or if you have an industrial application. There's so many different solutions and benefits to a lot of applications in the world that are currently using dry blasting as a surface preparation, or they're trying to use it as a surface finishing stage or step, and it's really falling behind and lacking in many areas that Vapour honing is able to basically to fix or to clean. And if you guys have questions, call us or email us. We're able to help you with your application. And if you like what you saw today, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.